Alrighty, greetings and welcome back to another fragrance video and another fragrance review. And in today's video, we will be talking about what is, in my opinion, the best entry-level oriental fragrance, especially if we consider the price of the fragrance. We are, of course, talking about the brand Calvin Klein and their fragrance CK1 Shock. But before we talk about the notes, how the fragrance smells, let's just take a quick look at the bottle, the design of the bottle. I can't talk about the box because I just don't have the box, I just have the bottle of the fragrance. So it is a glass bottle, it is completely black. At the bottom of the box we get the size, so this is a 3.4 ounce or 100 ml size, and the concentration is eau de toilette or EDT. And at the front of the bottle we have the logo CK1 and the word shock in green. It looks like some spray paint for him, Calvin Klein. Also the sprayer is this silver gunmetal type color, and the sprayer itself is appropriate considering the price of the fragrance. Now, do I like the packaging, or the bottle at least? Nope, I don't like it at all. I think this looks very childish, especially if we consider how the fragrance actually smells. Talk about that a little bit later. But now let's talk about the notes that are officially listed. In the top notes of this fragrance, we have lavender, clementine, and cucumber, interestingly enough. In the mid notes, we have cardamom, pepper, basil, and osmanthus. And in the base we have tobacco, amber patchouli, woody notes, and musk. An interesting notes composition, especially the cucumber at the top. With regards to longevity in my skin, it lasts around 4 hours, with projection being up to 1 meter in the first hour, after which it becomes more of a skin scent. And with regards to seasons, when I wear this fragrance, this is definitely a cold weather, cold season type fragrance. I think it's best worn in winter because of the way the fragrance smells. It just works best when it's like winter outside. Age range wise, I think this scent is appropriate for more or less anybody. I personally wore this when I was in high school, and I still wear it to this day, so I can see this on a high schooler, I can see this on a 50, 60, 70-year-old man. Everybody can wear this fragrance age range wise. And occasionally when I wear this fragrance, I think this is a date night fragrance. Why? Again, I'll talk about it a little bit later. And finally, with regards to who actually made this beautiful smell, it was Anne Gottlieb. So Anne Gottlieb is credited as the official perfumier for this fragrance. And that's more or less it with regards to the general side of this. And now let's talk about how the fragrance actually smells. Now, when I talked about the top notes, I listed lavender, clementine, and cucumber, more or less all kind of fresh, citrusy notes. The cucumber especially associates you to have a very fresh opening. However, I don't really pick up any freshness in the opening of this fragrance. I can smell a hint of lavender. However, that lavender quickly disappears, and immediately when I can smell is the mid notes of the fragrance. I can easily pick up the sweet notes of cardamom and osmanthus, and we have also the presence of pepper, giving a slightly spicy backbone, slightly of a spicy support. And then when the fragrance finally goes into the dry down, into the base notes, it becomes a true beautiful oriental smell. The beautiful notes of tobacco, musk, and amber come center stage, making this a sweet, inviting, overall a very attractive smell, at least again in my opinion. And if I had to describe this fragrance in 2 words, it would have to be oriental gourmand, because there is this gourmandy, sweet, edible aspect to the smell of the fragrance, again, especially as it goes into the dry down. And in my opinion, the smell is excellent for the price it's going for. I think you can buy like 100 ml of this fragrance for like $20, which is really cheap. Now again, the longevity is not really that impressive. It is just around 4 hours on my skin, but still, considering this is $20 for 100 ml, you can easily respray and you have no issues with the longevity. Now, why did I say this is a date night fragrance? Well, it's because it goes quickly to become a skin scent, which means it's for more intimate situations, because your date has to lean in closer to actually smell you. It doesn't project like something like, I don't know, Amouage in Turloon Man, where literally the entire place you're going out to will smell you, not just your date. So yes, if we come to the conclusion, do I recommend you to buy this fragrance? Absolutely, 100%. I think this is an amazing fragrance. I 100% recommend you buy it, especially if you're new to the fragrance world and want to start exploring the Oriental family of fragrances a bit more. And that's pretty much it with regards to the review of this beautiful little smell. Now, if you liked the video, of course, leave a thumbs up. If you disliked the video, leave a thumbs down, and maybe give me some suggestions on how I can improve my content. Subscribe if you want to see more wristwatch or fragrance related videos. And until next time, guys, have a great day and bye.